Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep track of rows in your Google Sheets or just want to add those neat, auto-incrementing IDs that update automatically as your data grows, then you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to set up an auto-incrementing row ID in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dynamic numbering system that updates itself, saving you tons of time and keeping your data clean and organized. So let's jump right in. I'm going to assume you already have your data in the sheet. That could be a list of names, tasks, products, anything really. The goal here is to give every row its own unique ID number, and we want that number to appear automatically whenever we add new information without having to fill it in manually each time. First up, let's find the right spot for our row IDs. Take a look at your sheet and focus on the very first column. Usually that's column A. If it isn't, no worries, you can always adjust this for your layout. What we want is the top cell just beneath our header row in column A, so if you have your headers in row 1, head down to cell A2. Now here where the magic happens. In cell A2 you're going to write a formula. Equals sequence counta B2B. Don't worry if formulas aren't your best friend. Let's break down what this does. The sequence function automatically generates a list of numbers in sequence starting from 1. The bit inside the parentheses counta B2B is counting all the non-empty cells in column B starting from row 2 onwards. Column B here is acting as the reference for how many rows of data you actually have. So if column B is where your main entries are, like customer names, for instance, this formula will match the IDs to those rows, updating automatically as you add more names. Once you've typed in the formula, hit enter. Instantly you should see numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on filling down column A right next to every row of your data. And here's the best part. Let's say tomorrow you add 5 more entries to column B. You won't need to do anything. The row IDs will just automatically extend themselves, keeping everything accurate and tidy. This method is super handy because it's totally dynamic. You don't have to copy formulas down manually or worry about mismatched row numbers. It's like having an automatic ticket counter next to every item. You always know which is which, and if you ever sort or filter your data, the row IDs will remain tied to the correct rows as long as your structure stays consistent. If at any point you notice the numbers not lining up as expected, double-check that your main data is in column B and that there aren't any accidental blank rows breaking things up. And don't worry if something looks off at first. You can always adjust which column is being counted in the COUNTA part or tweak the start cell for your own setup. And that's it, automatic row numbering in Google Sheets in just a few clicks. I hope this made your workflow just a bit easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.